At IGA 2025, OPPO captured the spotlight with an immersive showcase of the all-new ColorOS 16. Attendees gathered around the booth to experience the new OS firsthand. From its immersive and user-friendly productivity features to camera features that help you shoot like a pro, dedicated workshops were conducted at the OPPO booth to highlight the new AI-powered productivity and camera features of ColorOS 16. Throughout the day, we spoke to users to understand what stood out for them, from faster animations to improved privacy controls, and from the refreshed interface to the creative tools built into the camera and gallery. Each person had a feature they instantly connected with. Their reactions spoke for themselves.
उसमें से एक बहुत अच्छा फीचर जो मुझे लगा दैट वाज टैप टू शेयर. टैप टू शेयर वाज अ फीचर जिसके अंदर दो फोन्स को सिर्फ क्लोज लाना था एंड यू कैन शेयर योर फोटोज वीडियोस लाइक इंस्टेंटली विदाउट एनी नीड ऑफ नेटवर्क और एनीथिंग.
एज अ गेमर सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया उसका परफॉर्मेंस है जो उन्होंने ट्रिनिटी इंजन इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, जिसके कारण उसकी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो गई है और गेमिंग एकदम स्मूथली चलती है.
एंड उसमें इतना अच्छा प्राइवेसी फीचर है. प्राइवेसी फीचर में ये है कि अगर जैसे मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया तो वो इतना ज़्यादा सिक्योर है कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली ब्लर कर देता है, विच इज़ अ वेरी वेरी बेस्ट थिंग आजकल की स्कैम वाली दुनिया में.
AI माइंड स्पेस पे मुझे कुछ भी ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, थ्री फिंगर से स्वैप किया ऑर्गेनाइज हो जाएगा. साथ ही साथ मेरे को स्मार्ट सजेशन भी मिलेगा, ऑर्गेनाइज होकर सजेशन मिल रहा है. कुछ भी मेरे को आइटिनरी डेवलप करनी है तो वो भी हो जाएगी क्योंकि इनका इंटीग्रेशन गूगल जेमिनी के साथ है एंड साथ ही साथ ऑफलाइन वर्क करता है.
Here's what 91 Mobile's expert has to say about ColorOS 16, breaking down what it gets right, how it improves everyday usability, and what makes it a meaningful upgrade for OPPO users. And with that, here's the expert's take.
Hey guys, this is Deepak from 91 Mobile. So I've been checking out ColorOS 16 and some of the very cool features it comes with. And I must say it's very impressive. It's very, very fluid, very smooth. The kind of animations and the customization features that it offers. But what really interests me are the AI integration that OPPO has done. The AI mind space feature is especially interesting, I think. All you need is a 3-finger swipe up and it'll remember things for you. There's deep AI integration. It's all on device, so it's very secure and it's fast. And so many tools actually packed into a single device in terms of productivity and AI, and a bunch of photography related tools as well. But OPPO is promising, that it's very secure. Since everything is on device, so there's a lot of security as well. So overall, I would say that the platform is very interesting. I like the features. Looking forward to try it out on the new OPPO Find X9 series as well. And some of the devices, such as the older generation, are getting this update as we speak. So if you haven't tried out ColorOS 16, you definitely should.
So what I like about ColorOS 16 is just how much more smoother and responsive it is now. It just feels fast. I think the Flux home screen is really nice. It allows you to reshape the icons on the home screen, the layout, the way you want it, and there's just a more personal feel to it, and I think that's great. The AI features are genuinely useful now, whether it's the portrait glow feature in the camera or the AI recorder and mind space, which help in organizing whatever you need. It's just much more efficient now. Overall, I feel ColorOS 16 is more polished, more fluid, and smarter than ever before.